Good morning guys, in front of me is OUKITEL WP300 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, open your phone gallery, go to contacts if you are not in this panel and mark the one that you want to personalize. Now select edit and mark add picture. Now you can either grab a photo right now by tapping on camera, you can choose something from your own gallery, one from Google Photos, something from illustrations, however you prefer. I'll go with the gallery photo, for example this one. You can rotate it if you want to. Let's make it upside down, tap choose and mark save. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.